We're back in the shop today making some hood vents. This is a hood vent that we sell in our shop. They're functional hood vents, meaning they actually do release the heat out of the hood. And they're made from aluminum on the top. We have a piece of aluminum mesh in the middle and then a piece of steel on the bottom that acts like a big washer. We use stainless steel hardware to hold it all together. And we sell these in our shop. We sell quite a few of them actually, and they work pretty good. The idea came from when my daughter bought a Jeep, and she's having some heat problems with her Jeep, so we came up with this design and thought that it looked pretty good. Looks pretty sharp. And we made the design, cut them out, put them on our Jeep, and they work really well. And ever since then, we've been selling them. You can see here we just cut out the piece of 16 gauge, and here the machine torch is going to work cutting out the aluminum. It cuts out the aluminum, no problem. Go. You can see that I'll go through here and I'll clean them up a bit just like I do everything else. And we hit the front of the aluminum with some 320 sandpaper just to shine it up a little bit, knock off some of the burrs, knock up some of the heavy stuff, and send it out to the customer. That's it. This is a real simple job. Doesn't take very long for us to do it, and it's that simple. When the torch cuts out the holes are only quarter-inch wide or quarter-inch in diameter. It does a pretty good job, but it's not that great, so we go back and we clean it up with the drill press with a quarter-inch drill bit. It just makes it so much easier to install the bolts, as you'll see later. Easier for me, easier for the customer, just an overall nicer job when we go back and clean them up when they're that small. So that's it. I'll let the music take it out. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thanks for coming back. So we're just putting the fine finishing touches on these, cleaning up the edges, evening them all out, and that's it. There they are, ready to be shipped out. Thanks for watching.